powerful reality.
While the responsibilities of policing are great, equally so are the tools given to police officers to carry them out. These tools and accompanying power are unlike that of any existing profession, job, or craft. Within our borders, only the police have the authority to use these powers to their fullest and at their sole discretion.
The law.
The law is the cornerstone of any democracy. It is an expression of principles with an aim at preserving the sanctity of a nation. A badge is a symbol of an officer's authority to enforce laws, but it is the person behind the badge who must exercise the judgment as to how the law is used.
The use of force.
Police officers have the power and authority to use force, up to and including deadly force. Sadly, the headlines too often reflect or portray an incident where force was used too quickly, too strongly, with the wrong intent. The expectation in a democracy is that force will be used sparingly and only in those circumstances where it is lawful.
The power of incarceration.
In a nation where our most precious gift is freedom, police officers can take that freedom away in an instant.
The tools a nation entrusts to the police are given with an expectation that those tools will be used as intended. As a hammer can tear down a structure built with care 100 years ago, the powerful tools of policing can uphold or threaten the ideals of democracy that were shaped thousands of years ago.